Like I'm concentrating really hard. This is the hardest thing I've done all day. Just kidding. Oh, Jesus! That was mean. And we're not gonna get too tight on it, because then you'd be able to tell what it was. Where's the fun in that? I feel like I could torture my cats with this, like in a loving way. My brother pays me to wrap his Christmas gifts. Mm-hmm. Better than planned, unless it starts flying on me. I don't know, guys. I have this weird feeling.
So the question of, can a helicopter gift wrap?
It can be wrapped.
The answer is yes.
It's trying really hard though.